Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Hannah Hall. If you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have your company. I've been in the industry for over 20 years, trying and testing different products on the market. And today I'm bringing you the Babyliss Big Hair. It just creates this lovely bouncy blow dry in minutes without having to use a hairdryer and a hairbrush. It's all in one. So let's get started. Just washed my hair and allowed it to dry naturally. It's still damp. It's got a dampness to it. I would say it's probably about 60% dry, if not 80% dry actually. I'm just going to add a little bit of root lift. I'm going to use the Wow Colour Wow Root Lift, raise the root, and just pop this sort of section off and just pop it onto the roots, and it just gives that extra lift to get that lovely big bounciness to the hair. Just spray into the back. You don't have to be too specific, you don't have to section off too carefully. It will also act as a bit of a heat protector as well, which is great. So I am going to section off the top of my hair because then I can really get underneath. So if I just take it like that, and I've now got this section. And you can see it's got a dampness to the hair. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm now going to go in with the Babyliss Big Hair. Love this, perfect for traveling. I've used it for absolute years actually. It's great that it's got the protection across the top to protect the bristles. It's got 3 different heat settings. It's got a cool shot, and then you've got a medium heat and a higher heat. And if you can see that it actually spins as well. So it doesn't spin on the cold shot, it won't spin. And then on the next one up, it will spin either way. So you're in control with these buttons. It's almost like getting your bouncy blow dry without having a hairdryer and a hairbrush. And then you can go up to the higher heat, which spins that little bit faster as well. So I think start off slow and then build up. So what you do is start spinning the brush and then just go in and just literally brush through the hair. You see how it sort of takes the hair on. And all you do. And then I would also go over the top, just to lie the cuticles flat. Allow that to sort of brush through the hair. Take it up to the root. Now you pop it onto the cool shot, and that will just cool it down. And then as soon as you've done it, just pull it out, and it gives the most beautiful blow dry with that gorgeous lift and bounce as well. So let's keep going. So that's giving a lovely bouncy blow dry underneath. So then you just take the clip out and let the rest of the hair fall down, and you can see it's still got a dampness to it. So I'm going to go in. The bristles are really lovely and soft. They're so soft, so really kind to the hair. But it does take a little bit of time to get used to turning the bristles. So give yourself a good practice before you go in. And that's it, nice bouncy blow dry in just minutes. It really does do it all for you. The nice thing about it is you have got the lovely soft bristles. It's nice and kind to the hair. It does take a bit of practice to do the turns and whatnot, but I would say start off on the slower setting and then go on to the higher setting, the faster setting afterwards. Can you see how that's going a little bit faster? And that going just that bit slower. So I'd go in under slow setting and just start to take a piece of hair, then hold it, take a piece of hair, hold it, take it, hold it, and repeat that. Then turn the bristles the other way and then go over the top, like so. And then just literally repeat that process. As soon as you feel it's dry enough, go on to the cold shot. You know you're on the cold shot because the buttons don't move. Feel it cooling down. And then as soon as you've done the cold shot, take it out like you would a normal brush. And you just get that lovely, gorgeous sheen to the hair as well, and that lovely shine. And yeah, it saves using a hairdryer and a hairbrush, because I think a lot of us I find it really difficult. And also your arms just ache. Whereas this is great because you can almost just hold it down really quite low and just sort of go in, and you don't even have to do the turning if you don't want to. You can just sort of brush through the hair and just get that professional finish quite easily. So yeah, I think it's a really good go-to. Babyliss have been around for years. They're a known and trusted brand, and yeah, I really rate it. So I do hope you've enjoyed this little mini tutorial on hair, and if you have, please remember to like and subscribe, and I look forward to making more content for you. Thank you.